Wagwan massive.
You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And welcome back to our channel, guys. I know it's been a while and we haven't been posting as much as we should.
Right, yeah.
So we've been a lot busy lately, and also our laptop that we use to edit our videos has been acting up. It's like really
ridiculous.
Y'all don't have no idea how long it's taking us to do one video now.
Right, but no excuses. We still got y'all. Even if it's once a week right now, we still got y'all, alright?
Okay? And we trying, guys. We really trying to, you know, get back to normal with the posting and stuff. And we're going to see if we can try to get a different computer soon. So that we can, you know, edit our videos and post more often for you guys. So don't give up on us, all right? We're still there. Yeah.
So.
Yep.
So today we are going to share a crazy story with you guys, all right?
Story time.
Story time. Story time.
We wanted to do this with a mukbang, but I feel like this is a story we got to do without eating because
Crazy.
We don't want to take away from the story. So today's story is about
why I don't drink. Okay, this is one of the things. This is one of the reasons why I don't drink no more. This is just one. There's plenty of them, but this is one
of the main reasons.
And this is the last time I drunk. Okay.
Yes. So guys, after we got married, it was like a few months or a few weeks after we got married.
It was around this time.
It was a few months, yeah. Like it was about this time of the year. You know, we in the holiday spirit. Everybody's feeling happy and jolly and all together. The whole family in the house. Everybody, you know, downstairs and, you know, all over the house and cooking and stuff. So we had went and got some liquor. And you know your girl, she drank Apple Crown, okay, with some apple juice. So Jessie and I, we decided that we was going to get some liquor that night, and then we was going to play a card game for shots.
Deuces Wild is the card game, or two go with anything.
Right.
We call it different things. The whole point, though, I've never seen her drunk, and she's never seen me drunk. We want to see each other drunk for the first time. But I'm sitting here trying to get her drunk, and I'm very competitive. I'm very, very competitive. I'm trying to get her drunk. She's trying to get me drunk, and we playing cards for shots. So every time you lose,
you gotta take a shot.
You gotta take a shot. And it's a real quick game. Like Deuces Wild, it can go 30 seconds, you know what I'm saying?
It just depends, yeah. Game. It's really fast, depending on your hand that you get. So we got the alcohol, went back to the house and everything. As I said, everybody was there, you know. Jessie was cooking. He was supposed to be doing the cornbread, I think, for the dinner. And so, you know, he was back and forth upstairs, downstairs. Everybody was, you know, having fun and stuff. Music was playing. But we went upstairs to our room and decided that we was going to start playing Deuces Wild. All right, we got some Apple Crown, and we said every time somebody loses, they got to take a shot. Now, as he said...
Oh, so it was the night before Thanksgiving.
It was the night before.
It was the night before Thanksgiving. Okay, yep.
So everybody was, you know, in that mood. Yep. So we decided every time somebody loses, they got to take a shot. Now, as he just said, like, he very competitive. He does not like losing, okay? So he gonna keep trying until he win, all right? So we play, like, how many games was it? The first, I think I lost, like, the third game. Like, we played 2 times, he lost, and then I lost. So now I lost, he's starting to get, you know, a little bit more encouraged to keep going, because he like, okay, now she lost, so we can keep going. Anyways, we there, you know, and it's like I'm on a roll. Like, he just keep losing until the numbers start adding up, y'all.
By the end of the game, because it never hit me, you know, so we was throwing these shots back, but we sit in one spot, so I'm good. And we sit in one spot, you know what I'm saying? The shots haven't got to me yet. 17 losses later, all right? I lost 17 times total. She lost about 5, so she took 5 shots. I lost 17 shots. So I was so mad because I kept losing. I'm like, come on.
And then it didn't hit him all at once. It was like a creeper. Like
it didn't hit.
We didn't even see it coming.
So we was good. We was good. I took 17 shots, perfectly fine. That's because we in one spot, so perfectly fine. Right? So. You laid down. No, she was like, okay, man, I'm feeling it. I'm woozy. You can tell she's drunk at this point.
A little buzz.
Get it right. It wasn't until I got up. When I looked down to get up, that's when it all hit me. The whole world started spinning. The whole world started spinning. It was crazy. It was crazy. This is all we knew. We don't remember what exactly happened, but it was a lot of people in the house, so they told us what all happened. All right. So she was on my back. It's 3 floors.
Yeah.
Downstairs. Yeah. And then,
yep.
So it's 3 floors, 3 flights of stairs. We ran all the way down the stairs with her on my back. All the way back up. Just running around.
Being goofy. Because we buzzed. We not even buzzed. We drunk, okay? So we just having the time of our lives. Now, if anybody knows me, they know that I'm scared of dogs, right? This how I know I was drunk.
She hate dogs. She hate dogs, y'all. And cats.
This how I know I was drunk. It was 2 dogs at the house at the time. We were watching somebody else's dog and then our dog, which was Elsa. And I sat there. I can remember now me playing with the dogs. And I don't like dogs. I'm scared of dogs.
Just playing with the dogs.
I'm playing with them, rubbing them, and you know, being all nice. I'm like, I'm for real drunk. That's why it's called liquid courage, okay? Because I had the courage to touch that dog, and an hour before that, I was scared of that dog. I was running from the dog. Man, you know what I'm saying?
Crazy,
like, that was something else.
It was crazy. And my mom, right, she had just put like some new paper on her walls, like some new wallpaper all across her wall. So it looks like bricks. Now I seen it, she had just did it like 2 days prior to this. I spotted them, but I didn't really go down there until I was drunk. So I went down to her room, drunker than ever, and I seen her walls, and she said I was rubbing her walls. Like, so I was like, it looks real. Oh, this looks really real, you know.
Being all weird. He was drunk, y'all. He was drunk. He was drunk.
My mama said Whitney had gave her a cup of it. When we came down there drunk, she looked at her cup and then she just
she
pulled
tossed
it.
She was like, I don't want to be like y'all. She was like, if it messed y'all up that bad, I'm not drinking it. Man, so she poured it out.
That junk was crazy.
It was hilarious. Man, we threw up all over the place, y'all.
Well, see, I didn't even know we threw up, right?
Till the next day.
We laid down. First, you know, we ain't go there. So we laid down. I had work the next morning, y'all. And I was a fireman at the time. I had to go to work.
Yes.
So I get up. She's like, you need to call off. I'm so dizzy. I'm praying. Like, I hope we don't get no fires today. Hope we don't get no medical calls. I'm just hoping and praying. She's like, "Why? Just call off."
Right.
Call off. I'm like, it's holiday pay. What you mean? It's Thanksgiving. I'm not calling off. We're gonna get overtime. So I go to work. I was so dizzy, y'all. It was so bad, man. I'm telling you.
He kept texting me, y'all. Like, I feel so bad. I feel like I'm just gonna do a half day, and I think I should just go ahead and tell him I want to go home. He never did, though. So my battalion chief, he came up to me. He was like, "Hey, you feeling all right?" Because he can see it. I'm like, "Oh, I'm just food poisoned. I'm just food poisoned." He said, "Do you want to leave?" I said, "No, I'm good. I'm gonna stay." You know what I'm saying? Man, he wanted the holiday pay.
Man. But that was the first day that we got 0 calls, y'all. Not a medical call, not a God was on my side, y'all. He was working with you that day. He was like, "What you learned?" If you're Jamaican, he said, "What you learned?" Nothing. You get, boy. I get, so. No side. Yeah, man, it was crazy, y'all. But God was on my side that day. I kid you not. That was the first day we had like no fires and no medical calls at all. That was a blessing right there. Cause he knew
Thank
if I would have slid down that pole to get to those fire trucks, I would have freaking puked everywhere. But yeah, we didn't even know we had threw up until we had woke up, and it was
the next day
everywhere, y'all.
And I had to clean it, y'all. I was so mad.
Everywhere.
I had to clean it.
It was
the whole room. It was like
on the
spots
wall,
just everywhere,
all
like
over the bed.
That was so trifling.
Bad.
It was so nasty.
It was bad. Like,
they told me that I threw up downstairs in the bathtub too. I didn't even remember that.
Man, that junk crazy. But,
oh my God, that was some crazy
fun,
times. It was fun.
It was fun. But now, ever since then though, cause like I already wasn't drinking before that, but I told her that I would get drunk with her one time. Cause I've made a lot of dumb decisions when I'm drunk, so I'm like, I just do it with you one time. And that's it.
And because we were in the comfort of our home, we weren't outside with strangers. It was family, so we know we was gonna be taken care of. So he was like, "Yeah, come on, let's do it."
So it was good, but
man,
yeah, it was wild though. But now
I liked it minus the throwing up part. That's the only part I didn't like. But everything else, I feel like I was on the cloud 9, just floating. I'm
pretty sure I'm pretty sure more happened that night that would never be known. It would never be known. The only person who would know is God.
Right.
Nobody remember what happened in that room. Anyways, lesson learned.
Yes.
Know when to stop.
And
if you're competitive, you have to drop your ego. Hey, anyway though, but for real though, now I can't even smell liquor. Like I can sip on some wine, but if I even smell liquor, my body is like, what I'm saying, it's just nasty. So.
And you know what, y'all? He had kept the bottle as trophy.
We did.
He kept that Apple Crown bottle for the longest. Like it was a trophy. Yes,
that was
we drank the whole
brand new bottle, and we drunk it, just us. That's it. And she was not playing. She's like, "Oh, we ain't have no, what is it called? No mixer or nothing. It was just
straight shots.
Straight shots. So it was crazy.
And it was like the tall shot glasses. It wasn't the little short beanie ones. So yeah, we got messed up.
Man,
okay.
Crazy, yo.
Insane. But it was good times though. That's a story we could probably tell our grandkids. They're gonna be like, "Grandpappy, grandmommy, y'all was wild."
So if you guys ever got super wasted, let us know. Comment below what is the most shots you guys ever took.
Yep.
We are definitely interested in that.
I want to see that. I know a lot of people gonna have some crazy stuff to say.
I know we got some wild subscribers, so I know y'all be fooling. So.
Yep. So that was the time, And then ever since then, like he don't drink hard liquor. All he drink is wine. That's it. Like he don't drink no hard liquor. He can't stand the smell of it. He just don't. He don't like it. I still do.
That was the last time.
I still do. I don't have a problem with alcohol, but he do now. Yeah. So he learned his lesson, okay? Not to mess with the eye, okay? Because I wasn't playing about them shots. I was not cheating.
He was cheating. I think she was hiding some deuces.
But never did I cheat, Jessie.
Okay. Anyways, y'all, we appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. If you like and want to see more videos like this one, like more story times and stuff, because we do have plenty, comment below. Let us know, all right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and you will have good luck for the rest of the year. God bless y'all. Wait, y'all already know what time it is. It is a motivational quote of the day. All right, y'all? Today's motivational quote. Decisions, all right? Every decision you make right now determines the outcome of your future. Did you know that? Every decision you make, everything you do affects your future. No matter how big or how small you think it is, it affects your future. So If we make good decisions, good things are going to come our way. Good things will happen to us. We make bad decisions, bad things happen. It's energy. Energy attracts. Negativity brings negativity. Positivity brings positivity. So we want to make good decisions, you guys. This is how I can tell a good decision from a bad decision. When I'm doing something or about to do something, and it's the gut feeling. If it tells me, if your gut feeling says, hey, you probably shouldn't do that, then you probably shouldn't do that, all right? Our spirit can tell you when you're about to do something wrong, okay? And it tells you, will get that feeling. You get the jittery feeling, shakiness inside your gut. It's telling you, I probably shouldn't do this, all right? And that's protecting you, it's guiding you. It's trying to lead you in the right direction. Follow it. Listen to your body. If your parents say, don't take the cookie out the cookie jar, and some saying go take the cookie out the cookie jar, and once you get close enough and you finna do it and it says, oh, I probably shouldn't do this, better put that cookie back. Alright? Don't you pick up that cookie, don't steal that cookie. And that's just practice, alright? How do I practice making good decisions? Once you learn to control your mind, then you can control your body, okay? You have to train your body to listen to you. You have to train yourself to listen to what you want it to do. I know it's weird, but it makes sense, you guys. Started off by forcing myself, okay, every morning when I wake up to make my bed, all right? So whenever I wake up, no matter if I'm late or if I have something I gotta do, if I'm, if I have plenty of time, if I want to play the game, no matter what it is, no matter what I want to do, as soon as I wake up, I make my bed. And you training your body to do what you want it to do, okay? That's just one way. And it's just small things like that. Like I used to bite my nails, and I trained myself to stop biting my nails. And the mind and the body is separate. That's the problem. But when your mind is telling your body, hey, don't bite your nails, it's what makes your body comfortable. You bite your nails because you're nervous. But your mind is telling you, hey, don't bite your nails, your fingernails are dirty. Right? But the body don't care. The body is like, I've been biting my nails forever, I'm not sick. But once you learn to control your mind, control your body, your nail, you tell your body, okay, stop biting your nails. And then when you stop biting your nails and your body sees that it's still okay and it's not injured, it's not hurt, then your body will trust your mind more. So start making good decisions, you guys. Good decisions bring good energy, okay? You guys got this. All right, I hope this message helps somebody out there. All right, as long as it helps one person, it is well worth it. All right, I love you guys. You guys stay safe out there. Be smooth. Stay blessed. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And you'll have good luck for the rest of the year. All right, until next time.